Where do you place your worm bin? Well, in this wood one, we'd be placing it outside, obviously. In one of these plastic bins, it might be inside somewhere. Now, how do you decide where to put it? Well, let's look at the worms and how they deal with it. They need kind of a nominal range of temperature, typically 55 to 77 degrees. So underneath the patio for a bin like this might be appropriate in the shade. Same for this one. Typically we want to put our worm bin somewhere where there's not a lot of vibration and heat. Worms are not only, as I said before, sensitive to light, but they're sensitive to vibration, and they need that nominal temperature. They also need plenty of oxygen. They breathe through their skin. And to breathe through their skin, they need some aeration inside the bucket. Not such a big issue here with our wood bin, plenty of ventilation. In one of these plastic bins though, we're going to have to put holes in this plastic. In this commercial bin, it already has ventilation, but if we're making a bin out of plastic, it's going to need holes in there to get plenty of air inside that. Nominally, a spot in the shade is the best replacement of a worm bin.